hopefully makapile sila because we're preparing the all the documents for his inquest. Murder. Yes, we thank the ato ang mga atong kapulisan and ato ang members of the community who extend help and assistance that led to the immediate arrest of the suspect. Stabbing incident yesterday. So around we have received a report around mga 3:10 p.m. yesterday, September 4. And immediately ang ato ang TMRU and investigator na-responde dito sa area, dito sa Locsin Street, corner Locsin Street and Real Street, diya sa Caltex gas station. And by that time, yung ato ang biktima is nadala na sa hospital, sa Holy Child. So initially, nag-coordinate tayo sa ang identity ng biktima, and we also coordinated sa San Jose Police Station. Kaya ang biktima is taga San Jose, Barangay Calo, San Jose. And nag-ano rin tayo ng sa iyang mga relatives. Wala man kuno siya yung mga kaaway or anything. So we yung CCTV footage, and dun sa CCTV footage we saw ay yung bayi yung biktima galakaw dito sa kabilang side ng Caltex gas station, and merong isang lalaki wearing gray hood and black pants nagasunod niya, and then suddenly gisaksak siya sa likod. So immediately yung ato ang yung person na nakita doon sa video, we immediately para ma-identify and allocate. So through the help ng ato ang informant sa atong mga intel operative and ang ato ang TMRU, and we were able to find informant na nakapaghatag information regarding sa identity ng suspect. So immediately nagtuyok me, and then na-identify ng tawanan si Michael Belara Catada of Purok Santan, Barangay Taclobo. He was seen dito sa may 7-Eleven, and then nakita siya ng tropa ng TMRU, and then nagpaila tong atong police, but nagkaroon pa ng chase, naghabulan pa, but we were able to corner him dito sa Purok Santan. So right now he is arrested, and i-undergo yung ato ang booking procedure, and right now we are preparing the documents for inquest, and ginahulat namo tong ilahang complainant, yung pamilya ng biktima, para ma-file nato yung atong case.
Piling suspect, sir, o sa man siya sa background nito?
Actually sa ato ang record, he was for several times was arrested for the use of a rugby boy ni siya, and then he was also arrested several times also for theft. And yun nga, ma-release ra siya because hindi man mag-file ng kaso yung ato ang mga biktima, atong complainant. And then he is also arrested for resistance and disobedience. He is also arrested for before for less serious physical injury, na siya ng bato, hindi na siya gipatira na bayi, anak. So siya na siya record yun diri, and itong mga record niya is prior pa sa sa COVID, sa yang dugay ni siya, and nung after ng COVID nawala naman ni siya, but karon na natin na very na yung gihimo.
Pero sa niya, sir, nani kuanjo diferensya sa pangisip?
I'm not in the position to the mental capacity or but iningon sila na ako ni problema sa but kaya ako nung magutman nung motokar.
So may karon sir status ang suspect na detained?
Yes, he is under our custody. He is detained.
So the family no file kaso?
Yes, hopefully makapile sila because we're preparing the all the documents for his inquest.
Ang case sir is
for murder.
Okay. So, at least na solve ba yung case?
Yes, we thank the ato ang mga
Program.
atong kapulisan and ato ang members of the community who extend help and assistance that led to the immediate arrest of the suspect.